Hey there Titans, in this video I'll show you how to use the tab order wizard with Titan Web. So I have some elements on the screen and I have some text fields and a drop down and a file uploader, and what we want to do here is control the tab order on the screen. What the tab order does is, let's say this is my form previewed and I'm just going to hit the tab and you will see that it will go straight down. What if we want to control this and decide how it goes, or we want Titan to do it for us automatically? And this is very important for your users, the way they fill up their engagement with the page. Okay, so what you can do is head over to Site Elements and we'll turn on the tab order wizard, and then we have the auto option, which Titan will sort it for you. So if I'll choose that and I'll hit apply, now let's play with it. So I'll put text field 3 on top and let's take a look at the tab order now. And we can see text field 3 is on top, 2 and 1, and then the drop downs, and we'll go the same way. If I put this in the middle, Titan will do the ordering for you. So let me just grab that down and we'll put this guy and let's preview this. And if I'll tab now, we can see that we're just flowing in the correct way. Okay, let's take a look again at the tab order. Notice what we have here. So right now we have only the home page. That could go for any pages on your Titan web application. Another thing we can do is set it statically. So let's say we want the drop down to be first, this one second, third, fourth, and fifth, and I'll hit apply. And now we can, like, let's say we'll go this way. Doesn't matter how you put your elements on the screen. And let's save this and refresh our preview. And if I'll tab now, you will see that it will go in the order that I set it to go. So it will go 3, 5, etc. Let's throw in another page and we'll see how we can handle that there. So just the same way. So we're just going to add a new page, add the project. Let's put some text fields in here. So let's just put 2 and say a checkbox or something like that. And we'll head back to our site elements, tab order wizard, and now we have home and page 2, and it doesn't matter however many pages you have, and you can control per page how you want your tab order to run, either automatically or set it statically. And this is how it's done.